Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're just going to discuss a little bit about the market and what happened today. And also, we're going to go over a couple of stocks that we discussed on the channel. For those of you who are looking to possibly buy in, I just want to show you the charts and kind of give you some insight on those moving forward. So we're looking at the S&P 500. As you see, it didn't really move much. It did go down, slightly, but not a whole lot. Went up all the way. I think it hit 39.50 was the high point, and then slowly started kind of coming down, but not a whole lot of volatility. Dow Jones, you see up a little bit as well, and then the Nasdaq kind of almost looks identical to the S&P. It went up and then slowly kind of came down, but again, it's not moving, um, exceptionally fast in either direction. So guys, just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing in stocks. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And also, if you guys find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button. It really helps grow the channel. And if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So let's dive right on into it. Okay guys, so first things first, we're going to look at the S&P 500, and we talked a little bit about this on our Sunday night stock pick video. As we are approaching overvalued territory, as you see, we kind of poked our head above here and got into overvalued territory and kind of came down a little bit. Who knows what may happen tomorrow? We may sell off tomorrow, or we may come out swinging and push up, or we actually just may trade sideways, for a little while before deciding which direction is, exactly where we're going to head. So something to keep an eye on for sure moving forward. Exactly, which way we're going to head. So always a possibility. Like I said, we could just kind of trade sideways for, a week or so, and then push higher to the upside, or we could see some type of selling off if we have something come up and kind of spook the markets. Okay, guys, next one I have up is ticker symbol FOLD, and this is one we talked about yesterday as well. It's gotten beaten pretty far down, and one thing I want to kind of keep in mind and show you that it does potentially have some more room for downside, and it's you know still trading at undervalued territories, but at about $12. But as you see, the support's not until 10.50. So if you haven't got into this one yet and you're looking to get in, you definitely want to keep an eye on what happens tomorrow. Is it going to slowly start to kind of curve a little bit and come up this way, or are we going to see some more selling pressure and go down? If we see more selling pressure, then you could potentially get it cheaper in the 11s or even the 10s before it starts to come up a little bit for higher up. Okay, guys, the next one is Clean Energy Fuels, ticker symbol CLNE. Okay, as you see, this stock hit a high of 1990 last week. We've been selling off, and as you see, we're still in a bearish pattern. Okay, if we do continue to sell off when we get below this 1568 level, okay, then the next level down would be 1306 would be acting as support. Take a look here at your RSI and keep an eye on it. If it gets down into undervalued territory, I'm going to be pouncing all over the stock, and I would recommend that you do the same, because I think that it's going to come back up and bust through that $20 mark, maybe to 24, 25, maybe not right away, but I think eventually. So keep an eye on this one if you're not in this one, and just watch how it reacts tomorrow. It may come out and bounce off of this level, of this support level of 1568, and head back up towards that $20 mark. But if it comes out and starts selling below and we get to like 1550, 1540, then just watch it and see if it can slowly kind of start coming down, and you can maybe buy in the 13s. That would be fantastic to get back into this at the 13s and then ride it back up closer to the $20 mark. All right, next one up is Hemp Incorporated, ticker symbol HEMP, and we talked about possibly getting more of this stock as well, just to see what exactly what happens. So we got a buy signal, then a sell signal. So if we do continue to see selling, remember our support is going to be 0.013. So if you haven't gotten into this stock, again, watch what happens tomorrow and see if we have some selling pressure and we kind of bring it a little bit further down to the downside, or do we come out and start having some pressure moving up to the upside. So I think we could possibly see it go a little bit lower, but I don't think it's going to be extremely volatile. I think, if it does move lower, it's going to move, slowly down to this support level, which if it does, that's whenever I'm probably going to finish out my position and buy some more shares of it. Okay, guys, next one up is Sun Pacific Holding Corp, ticker symbol SNPW. So, didn't really do much today. We stayed at about that 13-cent mark, and we may just kind of go back and forth and bounce up and down off of this support for a couple of days before picking back up steam and moving towards the upside. Again, 13 cents or below for me is a good buy, and I'm looking to get out at about 20 to 25 cents on this swing before getting back in at a later time. Okay, guys, and the last one for today is Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. As you can see this morning, um, man, went from 80 cents and dropped all the way down to 65 cents. And I was like, holy cow, what is going on? Got me a little nervous. And then right off the open, we bounced pretty much right back up and hit a high of about 87 cents. So that's a good sign for us that we're breaking through this little channel here, and hopefully we can continue that upward momentum closer to that dollar level. I'm hoping for possibly this week. So if you're in this stock, again, we're at the same support and resistance level that we've been at for the past couple of weeks. 74 cents is going to be your support, and then your resistance is going to be at about 93 cents. So if you're looking for an entry, if it does come down to about the 75-cent level, which I really hope it doesn't because I want to see it move up, then that would be a good price point. Even now is not a bad price to start your position at. And if it dips back down, you can always average down. But I do see this one starting to make upward momentum and breaking over a dollar, closer to that $2 mark over the next couple of months as we get closer to May, because I'm thinking that's around the time we're going to get some better news as far as the drilling, from their second well, the MJ2. So other than that, guys, that's all I have for today. I want to thank you for watching. And again, if you have not subscribed yet to the channel and enjoy our content, please hit that subscribe button. Other than that, we'll catch you in tomorrow's video.